Good morning. We're back in Quebec City and we're going to do a walking tour. What an adventure. Quebec City originated within these walls over 400 years ago. Today it remains the only fortified city north of Mexico whose walls still exist. Back to the tight parking, it's the only one available.
We've got an average snowfall of 3.5 meters every year. Don't do metric, that's 12 feet.
You can see history everywhere you look.
I ain't no saint. But
This is the Dufferin Terrace at the Chateau Frontenac.
baby, 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 done it the best I can.
And here's the inner courtyard of the world-famous Chateau Frontenac Hotel.
I've been trying.
This restaurant is the oldest known house in Quebec.
I'm trying to get you off of my, trying to get you off of my, trying to get you off of my mind.
Art is abundant in Quebec City. Painters, musicians, and street performers are everywhere.
Trying to get you off of my mind.
Donnacona is the shortest street in Quebec. The Clarendon Hotel has been a theater and a school in its time, but it is the oldest hotel in Quebec. This Richard Mille timepiece was a gift from Switzerland for Quebec's 400th anniversary. Quebec has a lot of churches. Let's go inside. This church was considered the first school in Canada and pays homage to Marie Guillart, also known as Marie of the Incarnation. And here's the Anglican Church. And this is the immaculate Notre Dame Cathedral, complete with the only holy door in the Americas. Let's go inside. The Holy Door is only open for passage every 25 years. It's scheduled to be open in 2024 to celebrate 350 years of the Diocese of Quebec. Back out on the streets of Quebec City, the rain has started. After walking the streets for a bit more, it's time for some authentic Quebec poutine. Hidden beneath the Dufferin Terrace is the remnants of the original fort. This chamber was filled with ice from the river during the winter and provided refrigeration year-round. Four forts were built here between 1620 and 1694. It was the official residence of the French governor of New France. Over 500,000 artifacts have been found here. Through the skylights, you can see up through the Dufferin Terrace. The fort has been home to French, English, and Indigenous leaders. This statue is Samuel Champlain, credited as the founder of New France.
So we're done our walking tour, and we did a tour of the original fort that was here. Yeah. Now we're just gonna head back to the trailer.
Do that.
You gotta love street performers. This guy used to be with the Cirque du Soleil.
This is better than tequila.
Well, it is raining. We're in the old square in Quebec. And we've seen pretty much everything that we wanted to see today, so I think we're just gonna head back to the trailer. Oh, there you go. It's raining. It's a pretty good day, but we did have a lot of rain. But the only reason I'm doing this video is because I want to show you something. Those are not hot dogs. It's a non-hot dog day. We're having kebabs with cauliflower rice and Greek salad. No hot dogs today. It's not always a hot dog day. All right, so got the chicken kebabs. Can't see me. Can't see me. Got the steak kebabs. Cauliflower rice. Well, baby potatoes. Got everything going on with hot dogs.
Next week, we're off to Orleans Island, known for its unique produce, cheeses, and vineyards. As well as its churches. We visit a huge canyon complete with waterfalls. And we do one more walking tour of the city. This time it's in the dark, chasing ghosts. Join us, our next adventure is just around the corner.